Hey, how you doing today? I just noticed I have a slight problem with my headlights, or not the headlights, but the light setup on the Meyer plow. Okay, when I tap my brakes, can you see that? My front signals come on. Now, let's see if my signals work while my brakes are on. Yes. Okay. Now when they're off, they work. But when I put my brakes on, like right now, they get bright, like a brake light, you know what I mean? This is on the front that I'm looking at here. Shouldn't be doing that. And let's see. Here's my, none of my other lights are doing it. It's just the plow. The plow signal parking lights. But does it with my headlights on. Does it with everything on. Well, gotta figure that one out, huh? Okay, now I got my, turn my plow on. Okay, and we're gonna try it with the plow on. Yep, still doing it. You see it? Still doing it. And there's also a problem with the tail lights not being on sometimes when the plow lights are on, from what I understand. Now, all my lights should be on now, right? Right now, actually, no light should be on. I have everything off. That should be parking lights. That should be headlights. Right there. So, I got a couple issues here. But it was a nice looking install. Just got my lights a little bit messed up. Alright. Thanks for watching.